I think there's something wrong with my Wi-Fi. Oh, is it even okay? No, never. Okay, thanks. Thank you, Wi-Fi.
Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some good old natural disaster fella. I'm unsure we're completely safe from the avalanche here. Surely there's no other factors that would affect your survival rates, like whatever this is. You know, maybe some sort of black hole event.
It's taking so long.
Oh jeez. Oh, I just fell through the lobby. No way, guys.
I don't have ChatGPT, okay?
Oh no.
Hands on.
Pac-Man was just murdered and they're just smiling at the camera.
Oh.
That guy just got murdered, and now I'm next. But here's the thing, I'm a bit of a movement player, so this guy doesn't really stand much of a chance.
What should this girl wear?
I'm a movement player. You know, I specialize in movement strategies for natural disaster survival. The only thing that can... Alright, never mind. You guys know what I was going to say. Hey guys, welcome back to
Why you pick what should she wear?
Oh, this one's flying now. I would compare a player like this to a mosquito.
This?
Good thing it's a flash flood.
Because it's berry.
Become unanchored and then the whole thing is just gonna fly away. Menzo or oh jeez. Alright, I'm still alive so far.
Let's start.
Menzo. Oh, never mind, Menzo is dead. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh. I was the only survivor. Not even.
No, I didn't fall.
Go figure. Oh. I got flung so hard that I'm suspended in the air. How is this happening?
So this is what it looks like the game.
I'm gonna reset. Who do you guys think is gonna win? This Ferris wheel or this avalanche? I'm not so sure about my own chances personally.
Nobody even subscribes to me.
Better odds. But we're about to find out, I guess. Oh jeez. Oh, they just threw me out of the carriage. Alright, well, there's a small pocket of air here. I'm gonna try and stay here for as long as possible. Oh. Alright, the Ferris wheel just tried to...
Who likes the music? Who likes the music?
I've been buried under the metal.
Chat, who likes the music?
Oh, somehow I survived that.
Chat, who likes the music?
This guy is the roof inspector.
Chat, who likes the music?
Oh.
Hello?
How did that happen? How's it going, guys? Oh.
I'll make this video long because before I make videos not long.
This guy's trying to replicate the same thing.
I finally returned after a long time.
Into walls and smashing his head into the ceiling. Now he's looking at footage of himself at the computer. I'm sure this is very confusing to him. Oh. I just sank into the ocean. What just happened? Oh, there's a black hole forming over there, that's why. There's a whole planet walking around Spawn right now. This guy is...
And when Cherry Pop sees this channel, tell her to subscribe to me, please. Did you dip ice water? Of course we never.
I tried to warn them, but...
Why the baby not eating?
Just said nothing at all. You know a Samson. Uh-oh. Samson, watch out. There's a tornado, man. Oh. Alright, that was your practice there. Now you know exactly what to do when the real thing comes barreling towards you. Samson, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think this trailer is lasting much longer. I think you should probably get out of there. Samson. What's going on, Daniel?
Ma, am I doing great?
What is zombie meteor?
Hey.
What do you know, man? Good luck. Okay. I love gambling. I bet I'm not even gonna die to a meteor. I'm gonna get hit by debris and still fly. That was close.
You almost just did it. You almost called it right there. Okay, we have a new disaster.
Avalanche.
Oh, avalanche. Approaching.
Oh, I see.
I don't want to know this guy. No. I don't even think about sharing.
He's just pacing through.
No, I don't want to.
Straight towards our forward.
Hello guys. We're going to whatever.
You faced through me? Too easy?
Huh?
Let's go.
That was almost really bad.
That was crazy.
Dude, the meteor just deleted.
Don't worry, Chap. I'm still here.
I got you. Let me get this.
What should I even buy? The rest is not loading.
Abilities on me here. No,
What
Chap.
happened on me? What's going on
Ah, you came back.
Wait, the remaining zombies.
Stop.
Wait, give me some Robux. Give me some Robux. Give me some Robux, dude.
No, I don't need it. Very humble.
Watch out, Mother.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's all.
Dude, you just teleport to the other tree.
Dude, you're going.
Oh crap, both players survived.
I'm still being flopped. What? Dude, you're giving me 2,000 Robux now. Dude, Chad, we need someone to kill off ability, dude.
Well,
It was me.
well, I have a great
Somebody
news.
killed you. No, your meteor landed directly on top of me. Okay, then what's the new disaster? The new disaster is tsunami.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, don't mind the sound in the background. Pretend it's not scary. Pretend the game is the only thing you hear.
You guys wish you were on the fire, right? Oh, we could. Oh my god. That was so bad, actually. It's not too bad.
Yeah.
That's grass with
Then we got a tsunami.
Now the little kid can eat.
Oh my gosh, look, go, just gonna kill us. And then he's a LeBron. It's a massive LeBron. It's a LeBron foul.
Oh,
Oh my gosh,
I've been grieved. I've been grieved.
Aww.
I've been grieved.
That's why I like you more than Lulu.
Don't do it, man.
See, you're very patient. And look at Lulu.
Kills all of us.
Really, Hubbard.
So let you eat yours. Hi! Guys, na-recording ko! Na-recording ko! YouTuber ko!
Guess I'll handle it.
No? Oh. Oh, sorry.
What did you die?
Sorry, no. Sorry.
It's just me.
Rex, you got this, man. I'm not even.
Guys, na-recording ko.
Dude, no, dude.
Hello?
Alright.
He has a better reaction than you. See? Look at that reaction. That's way better than yours. Yes, you can.
Go, Remedies! You got this, dude!
Zombie doesn't need me.
No.
If I died with zombies.
Nasunod basket, binundol ka.
What is this? Dude, it's so laggy.
Basta na po masakay. Si Dodo. Ay! This will be 20 minutes long, guys. Watch till the end. Why am I recording?
Oh no, there's water rising.
Kuya.
It's gone. It got blown up. The water's very wobbly. I'm dead. It's
Taylor?
water.
Dudong! Na, simod ah! Ang simod, napos. Simod-limod, Dudong.
We should really get down to the shower. I think it would be a yep. Oh, Mark,
No.
Alright, Mark. Oh, where'd he go? Oh,
Guys, let's go to K-Lunch.
yes. There you go. Oh, where's this guy going? He's extremely laggy. Actually, just teleporting everywhere.
Kita aja yung simod na kaya. Tira, ako ito.
Marami mo muna siya. Hindi ka siya wala sa akin.
Guys, what should we get? Spam. Comment what you want to get. Is there anything new here? We did it, huh? Yeah.
Uga-buga. May ay.
Recording man ko. Recording.
Okay, he actually okay.
Shake, shake, make it
All you have to do is just
Jump to the left and jump, turn around and jump, jump, up and down and shake, shake, shake.
No, kuya.
Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Ah, mawala pa dyan. Shake, shake, shake. Shake to the left and
What?
shake to the right. Turn around and shake, shake, shake. Yay! Come shake that up. Susunod, kapag dyan.
welcome to my
Saman! Kapod! Kapod!
day. I thought
Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Patanaw siya, Miss Rachel daw.
Kuya, tanawa ba siya, Miss Rachel?
Wala to si...
Ay, close ang door pa. Wala na pa yung close. But,
Pa, na-recording ko.
Wala to si Kylo?
Oh, ali, Jun.
nabutong na ba na pa?
Oh,
Bago na?
Juli, kanto pa ni Sir. Uy. Uy.
Sa channel ni Zaya or... Sa channel ni Zaya or sa imong
Di pa, yun,
channel?
mahilig man namin.
So, do you want water for her or not? Banana? Or banana? Milk or this yogurt? Or moco or orange juice? Or green tea or fizz or...
Wala ka beses mga take out yun ni Karon.
I'm recording. I'm recording.
Or
So
makalala
you're gonna get
Kaya po
some.
mag-picture, di ba?
I don't know what to make him watch.
Girl.
I record man ko.
Gusto mo na magtanong sino ang
Kita recording man ko.
Wow. Tira naman ba dito yung sa amin niya?
Tita, do you see the circle thing? I'm
Yeah.
recording.
Ah, okay. Yes, sis. Ha? Mao di ay. Naka dito ka lula, oh. La, nga tag Manila. Ingna.
Naway pakumkum dia. Bisita biya ta. Naway pakumkum ka ng yellow.
Blue diretso dong, no? Sa 17 to mi kunya murag dia silang balay ang ano tapos baling dito
There's
sa
some
mata.
people in here
Huh?
talking.
Dili man mo sugod. Ang kuha na to kay Mukir sila chika yung taon dito na tanan may kay katuyang lulo nga Muslim food nga kana igagaw siya ang lulo siguro. Morning voice out daw ganina
Yung
nga.
paguman sila chikay sa puyo. Magkasal.
Abot lang kana.
Sa Muslim, ano biyan po?
Oo.
Guys, bye.
Nya among giingnan, among gift na lang sa inyo ha bahala buwan.
Diretso, ito na buwan.
Ligi mo na mong giingnan sila nga. Mag-hotel na lang sila. Yun natin dili ka sila. Mag-hotel na lang.
Guys, did I unlock
Sir,
anything?
mamunta na ba si Dom?
Kuya Dog,
Sa to pa, sa to mamunta na pa.
nagpila 6'5".
Dili, ang katong kwarto lang.
Dua.
Isa ra.
Ah, katong siya
Pang
ko.
ano ra dyan.
Abi ko katong sa sunod na kuan.
Would you rather
Pension
tiki or
house, di ba? Ang
tupperware?
ginana. Pero siya,
Di pero marag tinibuok mo ko siya
Di naman ito
pag mo.
mga-
Aka to sa gawas.
kung kato lang ba, isa ka ron. Pagpila siya.
Kasi mag-stay.
So what,
Laag lang.
chat, what should we buy?
Zaya, you're not on a live stream. Don't say chat.
No, I don't care.
Ano, kuana, o asa ang labunan nila tito tita. Kana o asa dong.
Hey,
O asa.
don't problem sa JK.
Pinaginay-hinay na siya ka-comfortable kay mungisi na siya, guys.
Guys, what should we buy?
Miss Rachel, oh,
Ah, Miss Rachel,
Kuya, ano?
daw, Miss Rachel, i-play.
Para sa iya ha. Whichever one. Be.
Nadudlo ka.
Kuya, pod. Ay.
Kuya, palabot.
Inisi na siya yan. Ikan.
No, kuya. Lamutan na si kuya ma. Masalay ko record. Chat na record.
Naman na, dong.
Taas ako nag-go-go. Gusto ka na ba niya?
Paikot-ikot gani mo ko eh. Then, isa lapid ba?
Teka mo, alam mo ba yung gusto mo?
What is this?
Ganun ka ba kapag yung
Cute.
Gusto ni?
Sayang, gusto siya naman bago yun na. Kasi isang kabaw ako yung tayo baligyan na. Ganahan naman siya.
Compare sa buwan na tayo siyang ganahan.
Maputi na siya kuwan.
Kung nag-drink today siya, no? Suy today siya?
And nobody says 6, 7.
Na-English po kapag ano dong, Diyos ko. Nadungagan na atong English,
I said it myself.
Wala mo sa pinarugma, Anet?
To
Napos mo, no? Hindi daw.
Sa'yo pa ni Mi?
Ang karakter ka, pinapatay ko eh.
Kaya pa doon.
Hindi ka nagkasama.
Dali.
Espeto.
Yes, nagkapasatan eh. Ngayon na si Maya ko yun.
Layo si Maya kay mahadlok siya.
Si Maya naglalikaw.
Tingnan sila.
Ay, si Maya ang gati.
Maya ko na
Uy!
Oy.
Yaan dyan pa ako.
Oy. Ka ayaw ko hindi diyan ka kumuha sa HOA.
Ang tawag siya. Ano na gunitan eh. Sige pala ako.
Dili mo tindog. Wala na ba dyan kay sense of danger dong? Tikang mararaba ka ha?
Siya ko na tita.
Stop.
Ito ba, nibuwas na sa taas?
Yung first mile ka na.
Mo siguro kung i-action siya ginanatag ni Agine.
Birthday niya pa dulong.
Oo.
Hindi ko ano to ni gawas na pa dulong.
Good job.
Lift your hands.
Ganyan siya
Earth
kita
food,
na.
pero buyag, utrusad, bukto.
Ano kailan tawa yan no?
Walay TV.
Ay, ito, bayad mo buwan mo to yun. Ay, internet.
Dapat to half lang ang ipabayaran sa inyo ha, kay nawala man. Sunod pa siya sa basket niya, baka gusto siya.
Dati nakakonect sila sa Starlink. Kung ano?
Dali lang.
Lakwan din.
Sunod siya. Dali. Dali ka sa sunod.
Nakapas lagi ako na udagan sa kargo. Lagun na ako balay ng tulikan niya. Anak na ano, bila na doon na. Kami lang yung magpatawad natin sa Pumtec.
Bitaw. Yeah, pila installation.
30 lang.
Bawal man ka diri. Bawal.
Tapos 1K ra monthly.
Away sa saya daw. Nabulo ka mag-listen.
Wala ka gahulam. Ikuha ang anak nimo. Balik dito.
Bawal siya no.
Wala sikil dire.
Nakalag ka.
Sunod siya di mong gusto. Asa man ka gusto mag...
Hoy! Hoy!
Ay, wala gani ko ng music.
Sana to si Miss.
Yung magsulay sa Tagliar Lobby. Okay, wait lang.
Ano ko?
Oh, iposa ka, Diyos. Then magsuslay ka. Put on. Di ba to si Miss Rachel? Siya, di ba to si Miss Rachel? Agay. Oh. Hurts na.
No.
Mrs. Agay na gani ka, tapos hindi din mag-hurt.
Eh, no.
Nga na ko siya kanta sa dapunan.
No, not
Sit
yet.
siya. Na screen. Kaloy!
Tagamay yan. Tako lagi sa ng taon sa gawas. Aircon ka. Ako siya ng taon sa gawas.
1 horsepower ba natin? Pero ako ulang taon tong ako ah.
Basta ko tibo. Gamay ka na siya. Advertise na lang kay Sabi.
Chicken.
1, 2, 3, banana. Banana.
Excited na ka magbalik sa school
Asa naman
lang.
ang aircon ng mami day?
3, banana.
Kuan pa, shipping pa, murag na pag Santa Cruz, o sa to nga, hub. Stop moving please.
How many bunnies? 1,
Ipuyo na kay gisabak sa mama.
3,
Mama lagi na nimo, grabe po ka trust issues dong oy.
5 bunnies. Good job.
Okay, we're gonna get it this
Gidala ninyo siya sa Santa Maria?
Wala.
Okay po, gidala ninyo. Kaya murag, ni ulan man ganina.
Ligsik yun.
Dito wala na, dili may kusog. Ako sunset dito.
Asa man mo mag-picture ka, chikay karong Sabado man mo koy, no?
Studio na sila, sunset.
O ako to siyang giingnan kay ako may pag studio na lang mo kay at least dili matunaw imong makeup unya lang gusto kay mag-uniform man daw and then sa to magbatawi.
Timing kinabot ang bago nga backdrop kanina. Bago nga color,
Ang ina suoton murag yellow ata koy.
ang batawi.
Oh, batawi nga yellow or gold ba na. Oh, pero mo tasa nila suoton ang batawi kay nang plano. Pila ba naka-location? Sulo?
Wala dyan
Ako siyang giingnan dito na lang sa studio na kay at least ini makeup ay aircon na and all. Ay mo lampas man ang pajama dong. Ay, slide yun di ay. Di atong i-fold di.
Tatay! Tatay! So, sige, isang tanaw.
So si Adjong hangaro no.
Kayo daw? Ay, kayo ka daw na. Wala ka daw po nga screen.
Nga gina-cellphone ra ko ninyo guys, tinitipid nyo na ako.
Wala internet, wala TV.
Ano, guys? Pag-watch, ano, uy?
Ice cream.
Ganda na. All done.
How's to wear this?
Ha?
President tita ang atakihon ni mo lang ga.
Pantok na yung chicken breast.
Wala naman wala. May handa naman.
Gusto siya basket, di sakay siya, di siya mo ganan musulod.
Inundon dili, oh, sulod siya.
Kana na lang, baka di siya ganahan nato.
Gusto yung aesthetic nga basket, dili puro basket ka na black ra na kuwan.
Kana mo tong giguyod-guyuran na mo ni Kay sa iya, di ba?
This jewel is blue.
Daan pag inyong basket, tiniging pag-up.
Which jewel is red?
Tumba niya
Sin
basket.
mahayang ba.
This one's red.
Oo, kasi girag.
Pero marag naghinay-hinay na siya dako karon no.
It's green.
Ano na gyud? Let's get
That's a green jewel.
Let's get Let's gatas ni Anet.
Di ba ba daw gyapon matulog? Doon ang gatas, yung kiyas na po.
It's a purple jewel.
Pang charge man gud daw to. Nya dong. Na pang charge man gud to, guys.
Tubig. Butong?
Isa pa?
Ang tubig sa butong, nahurot mo?
Na diri.
Turn the ship. The hatches. Whatever that means.
Hoy, sit down.
Sa message hamong station na doon. Save na nasa
Chay, diha lang nga charger i-charge ha.
na yung chicken mo natin, ay sobrang natin. Ito na yung sobrang.
Picturean lang ninyo.
You did such a great job.
Great job!
Pagunit na yun ang duha ka
Wala, gaya po mga ligaw sa kaya.
then ang duha ka triton. Ulan gud ganina koy oy tugnaw-tugnaw gito kusog man tong ulan.
Yung tatay mo balik. Team Triton tadang no?
No, man
Triton.
Di pink man to ang kang tita, katong kang tita imo hadong no? Gawa siya
Hoy!
niya.
Yara ka kay.
Ewan takas ba? Muwana. Unana.
Ayan, na-mention yun.
Na ka maglaag diri doon kay Night TV no, na kay internet.
See you guys tomorrow.
Ibalik.
See you guys tomorrow.
Hindi mo gawa sa iyo, bisa sa
subscribe to
connect ako sa Itex
not
TV.
miss up on so to not miss up any more videos.